How to hide followers on Spotify. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide followers on Spotify in just a few easy steps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to hide followers on Spotify, you will need to enable a small setting called private session. So for that, open up your Spotify and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, tap on your user icon on the top left. After you tap on it, there you'll find an option called Settings and Privacy. Head over Settings and Privacy, and after you're there, you will see an option that says Privacy and Social. So head over to Privacy and Social. After you're there, under Listening Activity, you'll find Private Session. Now, what Private Session does is it hides your listening activities from your followers. So it basically hides your followers as well. So there you'll see private session automatically ends after 6 hours. So keep that in mind before you enable private session. So simply turn on private session and you're good to go. And that's basically how you hide your followers on Spotify. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye.